My name is Wendell Burnett, principal founder of Wendell Burnett Architects. I've had my own practice here in the Valley for 26 years. The story behind the Wrigley Mansion is that it was built by William Wrigley as a 50th anniversary gift to his wife, starting in 1929 and finished in 1931. And then how we got this project is Jamie Hormel, who owns the Wrigley, and Christopher had been together for probably 15 years, and the idea became to do a new Christopher's at the Wrigley Mansion. We were brought in as they were starting to think about this possibility to design the project. And so at a certain point it was, can we incorporate a patio? There was a discussion about this space that we look across this outdoor space to the city of Phoenix skyline. We had to find the right heater or we couldn't do the patio. That's what it came down to. We were very aware that Bromic had the best design in heaters. We looked into what they had available, and they did have an outdoor heater. When they shared the design concept with us, this was like, okay, this is definitely would be perfect for this restaurant. Everybody that comes here, they comment about these heaters because they've never seen a heater that is this elegant, that also incorporates a light fixture. The fact that it comes in black, merges with the night sky, disappears. You really don't see it. You look through it, it's very minimal. It's such a great design. No one's ever seen this before. The idea of the restaurant is who you're with, the food, the Wrigley Mansion facade relit for the first time, and the valley floor view is the star, and the architecture recedes. That's the concept. We really could not have considered doing this patio if we did not find this new design that Bromic has developed. It really made it a possibility, and if we didn't have it, we might not have been able to do it.